Now, our most frequently asked question is, how do you get a business ranked #1 on Google? And the good news is you don't really have to be #1. You just have to get into this local 3-pack. Now, when we look at Google page 1, how it's laid out, the great news is the 3-pack is higher on the page than the section where Angie's and the other corporations are. So customers see it first, plus there's link to the websites. You can see the Google reviews, and the map lets you see the actual physical proximity to whatever your current location is. Plus, you can dial it hands-free directly from your phone when you're driving, right? So these are some of the reasons why businesses in the local 3-pack are taking nearly half of the clicks in your town. So let's examine what it takes. What do you have to do to get into the local 3-pack? Okay, these are 3 websites we've created and developed for our clients. These all rank on page 1 in the local 3-pack. Now notice the lock symbol. That means the website is secure from hackers, and Google will not rank your website without that. Okay, next notice the high number of quality images and videos. These are all geotagged so that Google knows they're not stock images or something you downloaded, but rather these were taken right there in your local service area. Okay, and last, notice the copy. There's over 1,500 words just on page 1 alone. Blogs, articles, descriptions. These all contain keywords, which are popular search terms people are looking for. Big companies hire professionals to do this. We have 3 writers on staff. Okay, and last, look down at the bottom of the page. Notice it reflects the current year. So your website must be updated each year so that all of the plugins and features work seamlessly without a glitch. Stick around for the next video where we'll discuss search engine optimization, SEO.